Welcome. In front of me is a Nord CE 2 Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the battery saver or power saving mode. It's called power saving mode in here. So once you locate the toggle, you can tap on it, and as you can see, it automatically turns on. It does lower your max brightness without actually lowering it right here. It will also do a couple additional things, like for instance, turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used for like some extended period of time, to preserve that battery, so you won't be receiving any notifications that would be dependent on internet connection. So anyway, it also gives you a little timer right here, letting you know that with power saving mode you are about to have about 4 hours and 15 minutes. Though let's quickly see if this actually 49 minutes. I'm gonna quickly check if this actually updates. Nope, it does not. So this little timer right here is absolutely useless. So I wouldn't necessarily base your time remaining with power saving mode on this number right here, because it's BS. Normally, if you change the brightness on your phone, it will have most likely one of the biggest impacts on your battery life. And here, changing it to almost off didn't make the battery last a minute longer, which is not possible. So this number will not include any kind of settings that you have right here. So if you have like all the toggles turned on right here, like location, NFC, Wi-Fi, mobile data, and so on, your battery will most likely not last that 4 hours and 49 minutes. It will be most likely even less, at least in my case right now that the battery is at. But anyway, going back to the actual toggle right here, this is how we can turn it on. And once you're done with it, to turn it off, I believe you can plug your device for charging, and this will automatically turn it off. Or you can locate the toggle yourself once more, tap on it, and everything will go back to functioning normally. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.